Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is a 2-for-1 communities update. So first things first, we've updated the UI for the leaderboard so that you can see this here on mobile, but let me also show it to you on desktop as well. So when you're looking at the leaderboard, basically the design is just a little nicer. I think before you couldn't see the 7, the 30, and the all-time all sort of in one view. You'd have to hit this drop down. So that's been fixed. And then obviously when you're going into the leaderboard and you're also looking at yourself, I love about this is before we had sort of you up here at the top, but again, down below there, you couldn't see the leaderboard broken out. You'd have to select one at a time. So they fixed that. That is a great UI, UX improvement, in my opinion. So that's number one. And number two, they've also launched support for custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at the communities level. And what this really means is you can kind of go crazy and do basically anything you want inside communities, which is phenomenal. Plus, they also added, notice here, this test preview button here. The idea is you're writing code, you want to know what it looks like, you click that test preview. Obviously, there's live modes. You can enable and disable it as well. So once you've tested it, you can sort of see, okay, everything's working good. I can turn it live. So now you can customize this just like you can the entire app. So for those of you who are great at customizing things or want to change some things, now you can do anything you want. It's a really cool. I love that they got this done. Obviously, you could also do, you can see right here, they've also added the header and footer code here, just making sure I didn't miss anything there. And and the custom CSS on the branding side. So the idea here is you can add custom branding CSS as well. So let me show you this real quick. So custom JS, custom CSS for across the whole app. And then of course the tracking and header code as well. So that's all right there when you need it. Now, what's up next? Support for push notifications, the mobile app, and private channels are going to be our next releases for communities coming here in the short term. We've got another release, hopefully before the end of the quarter, which is right around the corner, which is pretty exciting. But again, the community team is doing an amazing job continuing to run down the features all of you have asked for. Super proud of what they're doing here. As always, help document to come and should be in the changelog for this release if you need it. But on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Monday and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.